Hi guys, welcome to Molo Vlog. I'm Luis and today I want to show you the Carnival Celebration. Hola Globetrotters, welcome aboard to another adventure with me, Luis, your trusted guide from Molo's Vlog. Today I'm taking you on a grand tour you've been eagerly waiting for. Yes, we're about the phenomenal Carnival Celebration. Prepare yourself for a roller coaster ride at sea, for the thrill of the Onboard casino, for enchanting theater performance, for a parade of culinary delights that will blow your taste buds away, and for an exclusive peek into the most spectacular spots in this Floridian paradise. While my better half, Monika, is off discovering South America on the Sapphire Princess, I'm here ready to share this remarkable voyage with you. So, buckle up my friends, it's time to sail on an adventure of the lifetime. This ship is a marvel of modern engineering, a floating luxury resort that stretches over 1,100 feet in length. It's packed with amenities, all designed to provide a memorable experience. Our first stop is the bustling casino. Here, the glamour of Vegas meets the high seas. You can play everything from poker to blackjack to the amazing slot machines. Even if you're not a gambler, the vibrant atmosphere is worth a visit. Also, if you're lucky enough, you might see this handsome guy working there. Next door, we find the theater. This spectacular venue hosts some of the most amazing performers from around the world. Comedians, musicians, magicians, Broadway-style shows, you name it. It's a magical world of entertainment.
So this is a 20-piece game and it's inspired by Miami. It's like a Miami theme. Where they have this bar, 820, Cucina del Capitano, Miami Slice, Deco Deli, and Duty Sea Grill. So this is the first one. This is the bar right here, which is bar 820, 820, how they call it here. Nice lounge here. This is the Italian restaurant called Cucina del Capitano. Here we have the Miami Slice. And what they have is pizza. All the time you can go and have any pizza that they have available. Any day they have a lounge right here where you can sit down and enjoy your pizza. And also you can get drinks right there at the end. This one is called Deco Deli. Basically what they have is sandwich, pastries, they have the classic sandwich and also paninis, hot dogs. And what I like is the decoration right here. It's very Miami 80s. Right here on this side we have the Peak and Anchor, which is another restaurant. The moment it's closed, they just set it up. They have all the chairs right here.
Now, let's sweeten the deal, a cherry on top. Rows of candy jars filled with every sweet you could dream of line the shelves. It's like stepping into a child's dream.
Feel like a child again. So good. Here is the 6th level of the lounge where you can enjoy the shows right there. And check this out, guys. This is what I call to have style. You want to bring a car on board? Yeah, bring a Rolls Royce. Oh, how nice this Rolls Royce looks like. Classy one. This is the Golden Jubilee and this nice bar right here. Very nice decoration. There is a piano at the end, of course. But you can see how beautiful it is. Look at the tables, guys. Now check this out. On the opposite side of the bar, they have a replica of the ship, and obviously it has to be massive, as this ship is massive, guys. And this decoration.
Time for some culinary exploration. Carnivale and Festivale restaurants promise an array of international dishes. And At the Carnival Kitchen, you can enjoy cooking classes, learning from the masters themselves. Speaking of food, let's make a pit stop at Shaq's Big Chicken. Owned by basketball legend Shaquille O'Neal, it offers an array of chicken sandwich and sides that are seriously good. I mean, how can you resist a sandwich named Shaq's Big Square? Let's try it.
They have the Shaq Attack, Shaq Daddy, chicken strips, anything you want, guys. Thank you so much. Once you get your burger there, and then you bring it here. Here you have the ketchup, barbecue ranch, Shaq sauce, buffalo hot, and all this on this side, guys.
Okay, so let's try the Shaq burger, see how good it is. Spicy sauce, texture, everything is really good, guys. Best chicken burger I've ever had in my life. Well done. Okay, that's enough about food. It's time for some action. Brace yourself for the Bolt, the first roller coaster at sea. Reaching speeds up to 40 miles per hour, this is not for the faint-hearted. The SportsSquare also offers volleyball and even a jogging track, but don't forget the basketball. And then, the pool deck. Imagine lounging with your friends with your favorite drink with the endless ocean as your backdrop. That's what I call perfection. Something that you will always find here in Carnival is fun. Their branding is all about fun, and this is why younger crowds they come here to Carnival. This is the Serenity Lounge. This is a lounge for adults only. And if you wanna find a place where it's quiet and peaceful, this is the place. So this is the Serenity Lounge pool. They have a very nice relaxing area right here, and next to this one is the other pool. As you can see, it's quieter comparing to the other pools here on board. Besides that, no kids are allowed here. Maybe that's the reason why it's so quiet. This is Cloud9, one of the coolest fitness centers on the 7 seas. Check this out, guys. It gives you this vibe that you are in a real gym training. I know most of the cruise ships they have this night gym on top where you have all the view of the sea, and it's nice. However, when I go to the gym, I like to feel the gym atmosphere, and this is what I like from this gym. And there you have it, a detailed walking tour of the phenomenal Carnival Celebration. This ship is more than just a mode of transport, it's a destination unto itself. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on notifications for more adventure with Molus Vlog. This is it for today, and ciao for now.